Hello guys, so if you're new here, please do subscribe, please leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over a move, it looks like this. So, I'll basically break it down now. So if you start with your both thumbs pointing up in the standard grip, what you're going to do is you're going to throw the nunchuck in your right hand, you're going to throw over and catch it. So basically your hands are making an X and your palms are back to back. From there, the one that's in the left hand, you're going to throw over and catch it with the left hand. From there, your right hand, you're going to throw this over and catch it with your right hand. You're going to throw it once more, so both your thumbs are pointing up, and you're then going to do a rip roll here, wrist roll, and clutch. So if you don't know your rip rolls, your wrist rolls, and your clutch, I suggest you go back to my beginner series where I do guided tutorials. So be sure to check that out. I'll leave a link in the description now. And I'll see you again soon, guys. Remember to subscribe and thank you.